Glam AI versus Selfyz AI. Let's get started. Glam AI is a built especially for turning basic product images into professional grade visuals. It's popular with e-commerce sellers, brand designers, and marketers looking to upgrade their content without a real photo shoot. So what it offers is a studio level AI product photos from plain images. They also have a lifestyle stylized and minimalist background options. It's also easy drag and drop UI with a smart prompts control, and they have a faster turnaround time with no design skills needed. So, Selfie's AI, on the other hand, is focusing on AI generated portraits, selfies, and profile pictures with high stylization. It's tailored more for creators, influencers, and social media profiles, offering a variety of looks from professional headshots to fantasy edits. So, what it offers is it has stunning, stylized selfies and avatars from real photos. You can also have some tons of aesthetic options like fashion, fantasy, business, and etc. It's also good for LinkedIn, Instagram, and digital personas, and they have a high resolution output with AI face enhancement. So, what's best is Glam AI is the better pick if you're focused on selling or showcasing products, and Selfish AI shines when it comes to personal photos and profile images.